Do you know how to add one amazing glass bar effect in Premiere Pro? Let's go! First of all, select your video frame. You need to create an adjustment layer. To do it, right-click of the mouse, New Item, and select Adjustment Layer. Following, drag your adjustment layer above the video clip. The next step is, go to Effects and write Transform. Drag your transform effect above the adjustment layer. Then go to Effects Control and uncheck Uniform Scale. Change the scale height to 150, the scale width to 30, and rotation to 25. Move down to Transform option and change the scale to 130. As the result, we have created an animate glass bar. The second step is, select your adjustment layer and move to the beginning of it. Go to Effects and click on the position. The first icon will appear, and under the motion, move the value to the lower one, under the glass bar will disappear. Following, move the slider to the end of the adjustment layer and increase the position value until the moment that the effect will disappear. Finally, duplicate our adjustment layer 2 times. You can just hold Alt and click on the left bottom of the mouse. Guys, everything is ready. Let's see the result. And also, let's grow together. Put your like and subscribe.